OTT is a pretty, broad term. We are delivering a lot of different experiences over IP. Sometimes I think people say OTT, they mean something that's kind of going around the pay TV ecosystem, being a solution that's just for people who have a data connection. There are customers who have that approach. In fact, in the panel that you just saw, where we had Rajan Mehta from WWE. WWE is a really successful OTT video service along the lines of Netflix or Hulu or something like that. And it's been interesting because their content traditionally has been in the pay TV ecosystem, and now they're doing a lot of things on mobile, on web, where they're a Brightcove customer that don't involve the pay TV ecosystem. So that's kind of interesting. As an OTT service, they're very successful. Also part of the panel, we acknowledge that every platform's got its own sort of strengths and weaknesses and differences. For example, we support PlayReady DRM, which is the DRM of choice for Xbox. So when our customers need their solution to work on Xbox, we work with them in that capacity, and because we have a PlayReady capability. Chromecast is its own unique new solution that doesn't have or service that doesn't have its own UI necessarily, but has a kind of real quick ease of use technical capability, which we've chosen to take advantage of with our Once solution, which means that the video content, the ads, and everything gets stitched together in the cloud, and it gets streamed seamlessly to that end device, which is plugged into the TV. So that's something that AJ actually talked about in the keynote this morning, that when that's happening, we've also brought this capability for that implementation to have second screen ads showing up on the casting device, the phone or the tablet or the PC that's actually sending the video to the Chromecast. We have a companion ad solution for that. So we acknowledge all these new platforms and the rules there, or the opportunities there, and we try and build them quickly for our customers. A lot of these new platforms have their own native sort of ad opportunities. Mark Feldman from Xbox talked on that last panel about how Xbox has their own overlay unit, that they're really the only ones who can do it and sell it at scale because they work with all the content brands. Twitter, we'll hear from later, they've got this 6-second pre-roll concept because the video content in tweets are so short that it requires its own unique ad unit. So we certainly support our customers getting to those platforms. Sometimes those platforms have their own unique monetization solution that our customers choose to take advantage of. Well, there's a lot of nexts. I certainly can see new kind of incremental improvements on a service like Download to Go, where content may have been viewed video on demand only, but now maybe there's a way where it can be viewed offline. So there's technologies that are enabling that. There are use cases what we call kind of simulated live, where people are choosing to stream together or clip together lots of clips into one long stream to make it seem like it's a TV-esque experience. And we're helping deliver that from the cloud such that it's really seamless. There's no kind of wheel spinning in between segments, that type of stuff. Those are all sort of new use cases that people are experimenting with that we think are going to be good consumption experiences for consumers that we want to help enable our customers to deliver.